Hi, welcome to answersQ. Press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get more updates about free online courses and course answers. Hey buddy, welcome to this video. In this video, we'll be seeing some free online courses offered by Coursera. So back in 2020 March, Coursera gave over 100 plus free online courses, but that offer was valid only until December 2020. So for this new year, that is 2021, we have few new free courses in which anyone can enroll in. And once you complete the course successfully, you can also get your free certificate from Coursera as well. So I'll show you what are the courses that are available for free, and I'll tell you how to enroll in these courses. And the courses which I'm going to show you are available for free only for a limited time. So this is a very limited time offer. So I'll show you all the details. I'll show you how to enroll in. Everything will be shown in this video. Watch till the end and get all the details. Before we see the courses, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, kindly do that first. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a video. And you can also connect with me on social media channels like Instagram. I'll give you all the link in description. Do check it out. Okay, now let's see the courses. So the first one is Financial Planning for Young Adults. This course has a very good rating of 4.6, and here you can see the duration of this course. So it is 20 hours and it's a beginner level course. So you can click on syllabus and see what you'll be learning in this course as well. So here you can see the complete syllabus of this course. This is a 4-week course and you can see all the things that you'll be learning in each week here. So here are the skills that you will gain in this course, like risk management, budget, saving, investment. I'll show you how to enroll in. Before that, we'll see the remaining courses. And here you can see a banner, enroll today and get this course for free. You will be seeing this banner in all the courses. And you can see here, offer is subject to change and valid through 31st January 2021. So this free offer is valid only up to January 31st. So use it before that. I mean, you have to enroll in the course before 31st January 2021. But you might have some time after that to complete the course and get your certificate for free from Coursera. So this is the first course, Financial Planning. Next one is Statistics with SAS, and this course is offered by SAS themselves. And here you can see this course is an intermediate level and you have more than 21 hours video content in this course, and you can click on syllabus and see the details of this course. Next one is Startup, How to Build a Successful Business, and this course is offered by St. Petersburg State University, and this course is a beginner level one and you have 13 hours of video content for this course. Next one is How to Make a Comic Book. So basically you will be learning how to create your own comic book from scratch through this course, and more than 40,000 students have enrolled in this course. You can see the details of this course in syllabus, and here it is, the duration of this course, 16 hours. So let's move on to the next course and see MLOPs, Machine Learning Operations Fundamentals. So this course is offered by Google Cloud. You can see that here. And the duration of this course is 14 hours and this is an intermediate level. Next one is Security and Privacy for Big Data. It's a part 1 course. More than 6,000 students have enrolled in it. And it is a beginner level course. It's a short course, I think. 1 hour of video content is available for you. And I'm not clicking on syllabus here for each course because it will take a bit long time. So if you want to see what you will be learning in any particular course, you can click on syllabus and see it. And next you have Foundations of Mindfulness, and you have few more courses like Innovation Through Design, Think, Make, Break and Repeat. And you have Cloud Computing Basics 101. And then you have the Brain and Space, which is offered by Duke University, which is one of the best university in the world. And you have Powerful Tools for Teaching and Learning Digital Storytelling course. And then Writing for Young Readers, Opening the Treasure Chest is also available for free. In this course, more than 78,000 students have enrolled in. Next one is Designing Your Personal Weight Loss Plan, and you have Music for Wellness course in which more than 2,000 students have enrolled in so far. And you have Fundamentals of Financial and Management Accounting, and you have Making Sense of the News Literacy Lessons for Digital Citizens, and lot more courses are available like Problem Solving using Computational Thinking, and then you have Reasoning Across the Disciplines, and then you have Networking and Volunteerism for Career Success, and few more courses are available. I'll give you all the course and its particular link in answersQ website. I'll give you a link in description. Check it out and you will get all these courses for free. Use that particular link to enroll in these courses so that you will see this banner as well. So now let us see how to enroll in these courses. So let me enroll in this one, financial planning for young adults. So here you can see join for free. If you already have a Coursera account, you can click on login and log into your account. If you are coming here for the first time, click on join for free and you can continue with your Google account, or you can create your Coursera account with Facebook or Apple. So let me log into my account and catch up after that. So now I have logged into my Coursera account. I'll show you how to enroll in this course. It is the same method for all these courses. So let's enroll in this one. You can see here a button, enroll for free. Click on that. Now you can see here the course name and the purchase course price is 0. You can see that here, rupees 0, and free enrollment available until January 31st, 2021, as I said. So use it as soon as possible. It may go off anytime. Now the next step is to click on the go to course button here. So click on it. So that's it. Now we have enrolled in this course. You can click on week 1 and start watching the videos and complete the course. And once you complete the course and the necessary quizzes, you will get a free certificate for this course. I mean, in whichever course you are enrolling in, you will get a free certificate after completing that course as well. So this is how you need to enroll in the course for free. There are a few more courses, as I said, like statistics with SAS, and I'll give you a link in description. Click on that link. You'll be directed to answersQ website, as I said, and on that page you will see all the course names, all the courses that are available for free, and I have given a enroll for free button for each course. You can click on that particular button for whichever course you like and enroll in that course and complete it and get your certificate for free from Coursera. So I hope you find this video useful. To get more updates about free online courses, course answers and internships, subscribe to answersQ and press the bell icon. And you can also connect with me on social media network like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. I'll give you all the link in description. Do check it out.
Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you need anything, and share this video with your friends. And thank you so much for watching this video.